You have probably heard for years that omega-3 supplements are the key to strong muscles and better recovery. But what if I told you that this may not be the full truth? Many people over 60 take omega-3 daily, hoping it will help them rebuild muscle and stay active. Yet every morning they still wake up stiff, weak, and tired, wondering why nothing seems to work. There is something your body does every single night that decides whether you gain or lose strength. It is not about how much protein you eat. It is not about lifting weights. It is about how your body repairs muscle while you sleep. Tonight, I want to share 2 vitamins that can help rebuild muscle overnight. These are the real keys that help your body recover while you rest. And later in this video, I will also tell you about 3 supplements that you must avoid at night because they quietly stop this recovery process. So stay with me till the end, because the way you take your supplements after the age of 60 can change everything. When you fall asleep, your body does not just rest. It repairs. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that rebuild the small muscle fibers that were broken during the day. This process is what helps you wake up stronger, not weaker. But as we age, the body's ability to perform this repair slows down. By the time most people reach 60, muscle recovery can be 50% slower than it was at 40.
Slower recovery.
That means even if you eat enough protein and stay active, your body may not be using those nutrients properly. This is where nighttime nutrition comes in. Some vitamins and minerals work better when taken in the evening, supporting your body's natural repair system. Others can interfere with it, and that is what most people do not realize. Let us start with the first vitamin that your body quietly craves every night. If there is one nutrient that can completely change the way you sleep and recover, it is magnesium glycinate. Most people do not realize how deeply magnesium affects muscle repair. Magnesium helps relax muscle fibers, reduces nighttime cramps, and supports protein synthesis, the process that literally rebuilds your muscles cell by cell. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adults with higher magnesium levels had better muscle performance and endurance, even without changing their exercise routines. But here is the secret. Not all magnesium supplements are equal. Magnesium oxide, the cheap kind you often see on store shelves, is poorly absorbed. Magnesium glycinate, however, is highly bioavailable and gentle on the stomach. It enters your bloodstream more efficiently and works quietly while you sleep. If you have ever noticed restless legs or cramps at night, your body is begging for magnesium. When you give it what it needs, the difference can be felt in just a few nights. Magnesium also supports the nervous system, helping you fall asleep faster, reach deep sleep cycles where muscle repair actually happens. That is why taking it in the evening is far more effective than taking it during the day. For most adults, around 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate taken an hour before bed works beautifully. It can be paired with a small glass of warm water or milk to help absorption. Think of it as giving your body permission to rest and rebuild. Now let us talk about the second nighttime powerhouse. Zinc picolate. Zinc is often thought of as an immune booster, but few people know how essential it is for maintaining lean muscle, especially after 60. Zinc supports testosterone and growth hormone levels in both men and women. These hormones are key for muscle protein synthesis, the process that helps you maintain strength and balance. When zinc levels drop, recovery slows down and muscle breakdown increases. You might notice slower healing, fatigue, or even more joint discomfort. Light research shows that taking zinc picolinate or zinc glycinate before sleep helps improve hormonal balance during the night. That is because zinc works together with magnesium to support deep sleep and tissue repair. The two form what I call a recovery duo. Magnesium helps you rest, and zinc helps your muscles rebuild while you rest. The best way to take zinc is with a small meal that contains protein, such as yogurt, eggs, or fish. Around 15 to 25 milligrams of zinc picolinate before bed is a good place to start. You do not need much. The key is consistency. When you take it nightly, your body maintains stronger repair signals through the night. Within a few weeks, many people notice improved energy in the morning, better balance, and fewer aches after simple tasks. That is how you know your muscles are being rebuilt the way they should be. Now, before I share the 3 supplements that you must avoid at night, I want you to understand why timing matters so much. Think of your body like a construction site. At night, your cells are working hard to repair damage from the day. If you give your body the right materials, the work goes smoothly. But if you give it the wrong ones, the process slows down. This is exactly what happens when certain supplements interfere with nighttime hormones and mineral balance. So let us go through 3 common ones that people often take at night, and why they may be stopping your recovery without you even realizing it. Iron is an important mineral, but nighttime is not the time to take it. Iron can interfere with magnesium absorption and can stimulate your system, making it harder for your body to reach deep, restorative sleep. Some people even report vivid dreams or restlessness when taking iron at night. That is your body's way of saying, "Not now." If your doctor recommends iron, it is best to take it in the morning or midday with food. That timing allows your digestive system to absorb it properly while leaving your nighttime repair cycles undisturbed. Many people take a B-complex supplement after dinner, believing it will help their energy. The truth is that it does the opposite for your sleep. B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, are energizing. They activate your brain and nervous system, which can prevent your body from entering deep sleep phases. That means your muscles do not get the full benefit of repair time. You might feel restless at night and sluggish in the morning. A good habit is to take B vitamins earlier in the day, preferably before lunch. That way, your energy is supported during the day, and your body can rest deeply at night. This one surprises many people. Calcium is essential for bones, but it can compete with magnesium for absorption. When taken at night, it can reduce magnesium's calming effect on your muscles and nerves. Some studies even suggest that too much calcium in the evening can increase nighttime leg cramps. If you need calcium, it is better to take it in the morning with food. That way, your body can use it effectively without disturbing your nighttime mineral balance.
Calcium particles dissolve
Remember,
and spread
magnesium
evenly in the
and
bloodstream.
calcium are like siblings. They share the same entry doors in your body. When one takes up all the space, the other is left out. When you put it all together, the formula becomes simple. Take magnesium glycinate and zinc picolinate at night to support sleep, recovery, and muscle rebuilding. Avoid iron, B-complex, and calcium supplements before bed so your body can repair freely. Consistency is key. The body responds to daily signals. When you take these nutrients at the same time each night, your muscles start to adapt and repair faster. You will notice improved sleep quality, reduced fatigue, and a feeling of lightness in your body when you wake up. If you have ever felt that exercise or protein shakes were not helping as much as they used to, it may not be your effort. It may be your supplement timing. I want you to remember something important. Your body still has the power to rebuild itself at any age. The problem is not age itself. It is the small habits that block your body's natural healing cycle. When you give your body the right tools, even simple vitamins can make a big difference. You are not too old to feel strong again. You just need to support the body you already have. So tonight, before you go to bed, give yourself this gift. Magnesium to help your body rest deeply. Zinc to help your muscles rebuild quietly while you sleep. And when you wake up in the morning, take a moment to notice how your body feels. A small change tonight could be the start of a stronger tomorrow. Your health journey does not need to be complicated. It only needs to be consistent. You do not have to chase every new supplement or trend. Sometimes, the answer is as simple as changing when you take what you already have. So, forget the old habit of taking everything at once. Let your body work with you, not against you. The next time someone asks how you stay strong and energetic after 60, you can smile and say, "I finally learned the right way to help my muscles rebuild overnight."